This video production will focus on the measurement of bubbles with an emphasis on diameter and circumference. We have some pieces of string that are 10 and 18 inches long. First, my assistant is going to blow a pretty big bubble and rest it on the cookie sheet. And she's going to go ahead and pop the bubble, and we see that it has left a ring on the cookie sheet. The first thing that we're going to do now is to measure the diameter of the bubble, and that's one way of measuring to see how big they are. The diameter is the distance straight through the very middle of a bubble. Using the piece of string, she measures the diameter of the bubble. She laid it straight through the middle. Now she'll take the string and lay it next to a tape measure to see how long it is.
Almost 5 inches.
Right now we're going to look at the circumference. She's using the longer piece of string and measuring the circumference of the circle or the bubble print. This is the measurement of the line all around the outside of the circle or bubble. Now she'll take the string and she'll lay it next to the tape measure to see how long it is.
About 15 inches.
You can do lots of things with measuring bubbles. You can get some paper, and with some help you can chart different kind of bubbles. You can use different sizes of straws or a canning lid ring to see how big and how little your bubbles can be. When you have a bubble that's resting on a cookie sheet, you can also use a string to measure how high the bubble is. So she's going to blow another bubble. And you can either use your hand or the piece of string to see how high the bubble is.
About 2.5 inches.
Okay. And that concludes our lesson on bubbles. Just a neat little lesson about how to measure bubbles, the diameter and the circumference and the height.